Hello guy, today I will show you how to download free apps mod on your mobile phone without root or jailbreak. First of all, you need your phone with internet connection and please don't use VPN to do the tutorial. First of all, you need to open the browser on your phone and go to website in the video. After the website load, please select the app you need to download and click to choose. Then you should follow steps and requirements of the system to confirm your device. Okay, then the system will require you to download or complete some offers. You just need to click on icon and finish it. After download or get the offers, you need to run it for 30 seconds and follow the requirements from the system. It is completely safe and help us to protect our system from bot attack. If there are more than 3 offers, you can choose any 2 offers or complete all. After that, restart device and apps to get the app injection. Please note that you still need to connect to the internet and don't use VPN for the download. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment your idea below so I can help later if any. Cheers.